Pokemon Sleep's special research event for Raikou has begun today, which will run until April 8 at Greengrass Isle. This video will show you the details about the event, as well as a guide to catch the Raikou, so remember to watch this video before attending the event. During this event, you will need to complete 2 sets of limited time missions in order to receive Raikou Mane as a reward, which can then be exchanged for Raikou incense, Raikou biscuits, and other Raikou's favorite items. These items can help you research Raikou's various sleeping styles. We all know that Raikou is a legendary Pokémon, but the probability of Raikou appearing is very low, and it requires 30 friendship points and a minimum of Master 9 in Greengrass Isle to have a chance of encountering Raikou. Therefore, catching a Raikou will be very difficult. So what should you do if you come across one? Electric-type Pokémon such as Raikou and Ampharos can come in handy. If you don't know how to team up, you can choose to automatically team up with berries. There were some errors with the game today though. But don't worry though, I'm sure the bug will be fixed soon. I'm sure many of you are like me, playing Pokemon Sleep at night, Pokemon Go during the day. Then you must try Pokemon Go's best companion PoGoskill. It is a location modification software that allows you to change your location, so that you can play Pokemon Go without walking. It's also very easy to use. Just download the app and connect it to your phone. Click on the place you want to go, and then you can change your location. Well, that's all for today's video. Remember to follow us if you like this video.